Hello. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly get started. Um, I'm starting with this dress, clean white dress. Clean dress for $12.99. I love the style, spaghetti. This is really good. And behind is this one by Guess for $12.99. Interesting. Is this a two-piece set? Let me see. Okay. See what we got here. Look at this. This is a two-piece set. Sleeveless two-piece set. These are sleeveless two-piece sets in clean colors. These are priced together for $24.99. Yeah, and this is by this brand. Okay, and here we have the spaghetti midi dress for $13.99. Okay, here is the same dress. Look, this is by Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, it's new in the store for $29.99. Okay. All right, let's see. This is another two-piece set. This one is in short. Okay, look at this is short, and this one is priced together as well. For let me see if I can pick the store price. It's a good set. I'm looking for a very good set to add to the ones I have. Okay, here we have this. Look at this by my Cocos for $19.99. And behind is this olive green skirt for just $9.99. This is in size large. Here is a cargo skirts in olive green as well for $16.99. This looks better and the quality is better as well. Good high-rise skirts. Here we have this one by West shorts. I'm looking for a very good high-waist short for $14.99. This is the back. Alright. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up, share, okay? Let's move this channel to another level. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, yeah. Alright, here you see different sizes up to extra large. Yeah. This one is $19.99. Okay. Here we have this by CK. This is by CK for $14.99. And this is another skirt for $12.99. All right. Okay, let's check out short section and see what they have here for us. Okay, look, this is size 4, and this one, you get the store price. What is this one? Store price is not on this one. Here, you get this one for $12.99. All right, yeah, $14.99. This is the time for shorts. Yeah, this is black jeans for $14.99. And here we have this one by West for $14.99. And here we have this one. Look at this. Yeah, Bermuda shorts is in. This is $12.99. I love this. I like the color. It's well washed. Okay, let's go up and see what they have here for us. Here you will see size 10. More of size 10. Let's see what they have here for us. Okay. Nothing much here actually. $12.99. And this floral one, size 10. Alright. This is $14.99. And this one is by Levi's, size 10. Okay. $9.99. I love the length actually. This here you'll get size 12. Since they have much here. No, this is a size 10 as well. So let's see what they have here. Size 12. Here, this is new in the store. I don't like this. $12.99. If you are all about that, it's available in the store. Look at this one. Oh, I love something like this. I wish it's high waist. It feels thick and the quality is good. For $17.99. Alright. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Look at this one. I love this. I love the style. However, it's not nicely washed for me. Right, this is $12.99. And yeah, everything needs to be in place for me to pay for good shorts. Yes, jeans short, $12.99. Yeah, I just need to have the right wash, right style, everything, right size. 12.70. No, this is $17.99. Okay. Okay, tissue section. Let's start from here. I'm looking at this. Look at this straw shoes. Yeah, straw is everywhere. $24.99, and this must be comfortable. This is in size 8. It must be super comfortable. I love this. I love this. Interesting. And another one. Look at this. This is by DKNY. It's actually new in the store. 7.5. Look. $32.99. And here we have these colorful sneakers. Yeah. We are doing colorful sneakers now. This is by Steve Madden for $37.99. And we have classic. Look at this clean white sneakers. If you don't have, come to Burlington. $27.99. And we have straw flats. Look at this ballet flat. This is by Steve Madden. Look. And this one is $34.99. It's available in different sizes, same price, okay? In case you're wondering, don't worry. They are new in the store. You'll get them for more the same price. Look at this. This is so cool. Isn't this interesting? This is cool. This is cool. $22.99. I wish I can get this in my size. I wouldn't mind. I'll jump in. Oh God, this is sticky. What is under there? I don't know. Okay. Let's see what they have here. This is new in the store. Look what we got here. This is $18.99. Alright. And I'm trying to pick new items, new shoes, in case I'm not touching what you want me to. Yeah, $14.99. We are trying to show you, new finds in the store. Okay, look at this. This Morse is classic. This is by Steve Madden. Look at the heel height. Let me show you. Kitten heel. This must be extremely comfortable. The quality is good. Alright, and this one is store price is not here. I don't know why. Okay, we've seen this. You've been seeing this. This is not new in the store. Yeah, it's still in the store for $19.99. And here we have this one for $14.99. And here we have this one. This is in size 8 by Steve Madden for $34.99. Steve Madden came through today, to be honest. Okay, and this one for $14.99. Alright, if you made it to this point, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye for now.